Hi, this is Travis with the Sierra Avalanche Center, and here's our state of the snowpack for Friday, April 19th. Our last avalanche forecast for the season is going to be this Sunday, which means this is the last state of the snowpack video for the season. So I'll take a broader look than usual and make some comments about general spring avalanche conditions. In the simplest terms, if we continue to produce an avalanche forecast after this weekend, it would probably look a lot like today's forecast. This is absent any changes in the weather which do occur in the springtime. So we have a moderate danger rating, which means that natural avalanches are unlikely, but human triggers are possible. And the primary concern is wet, loose avalanches. This photo shows the current snowpack structure near the surface, and it's likely representative of what we'll see most days moving forward. So there is an overnight refreeze that makes the surface firm, and as the day progresses and that surface crust melts, the likelihood of wet loose avalanches increases. Here's a photo of a small wet loose avalanche, and you can see from the debris pile that this is probably not enough to bury a person, but if they were in the wrong terrain feature, this could cause harm. And again, this is a small one. Sometimes they can entrain more snow. We can avoid these by using timing margins, which means that we can travel on steep slopes while the snow is still supportable, but then as soon as our foot penetration gets to be about boot deep, it's time to reduce our exposure to steeper terrain. Exactly what time this happens each day can be difficult to predict, so we have a helpful tool on the Sierra Avalanche Center website. If you go under the Weather tab and click to the tabular format, you can see the minimum temperature each night at all these remote weather stations. So several of them did go below freezing and several hovered above freezing. So if we're looking at overnight lows of 38 degrees, it's unlikely to have refrozen the snowpack. As we get closer and closer to freezing, sometimes if the night was clear of clouds, we'll still get a decent overnight refreeze. After our last forecast on Sunday, we'll publish a general spring avalanche statement. And this has some important information if you scroll down about the likely avalanche problems that we could encounter as the weather changes throughout the spring.